Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be working on a project to build a perpetual generator, free energy generator, by combining a mini diaphragm pump and an air conditioner indoor fan motor. Join me as we explore the entire build process from start to finish. To start, I will salvage the top plate from a broken speaker. This will be used to add mass to the rotating shaft, thereby increasing inertia and enhancing the overall stability of the system. Next, I will utilize a plastic plate flattened from a PVC pipe to create the support bracket for the shaft assembly. Now, we will proceed to assemble the shaft, the top plate, and the PVC bracket together to form a unified mechanical structure. Next, I will utilize two mini diaphragm pumps as the primary power generation components. Additionally, I've included a rectifier unit to convert the output into direct current, DC, for practical consumption. I will mount the entire assembly onto a wooden base plate to secure all components and finalize the structure. Next, I will design and install the pulleys to guide the transmission belt and ensure it runs smoothly along the shafts. Next, I will proceed with the electrical wiring, connecting the generator coils to the system to ensure a steady power output. Next, I will install the custom belt drive system to transfer mechanical power from the main motor to the generator rotors. Finally, following all our fabrication efforts, I invite you to join me as we activate and witness the device's operational capabilities in a real-world setting. That wraps up today's product. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss our latest videos.